Hey everybody, I hope you're well. I'm here with you today for a very exciting video because I get to work with a brand that I think has a really cool concept, and it is called Causebox. Causebox is a quarterly subscription box. They come out with a new box every season. They curate a special collection of items from socially conscious brands, and they bring that together to you to bring you great value in your items. Each box has a mix of home goods, apparel, jewelry, skincare, beauty products, and they make sure that each item is bringing more value than you're actually paying. So most boxes value are above $200, but the box is actually $50 every quarter. I'm really excited to work with them because I think that they offer a service that many of us like, those subscription boxes, but they do it in an ethical way with socially conscious brands, and they make sure that they're pulling from these brands as well as giving back themselves. They've worked with many charities over their time of being a company. So I've partnered with them today to show you their winter box, which I'm really excited for. They actually sold out of their initial winter box, and so they did that before I could even work with them. They sold out of it quick. So they've actually put together another winter welcome box that you can purchase now, and they have offered you 30% off with the code theplussideofme30. Every box is a limited edition. Sometimes they feature brands whose items are much higher in price tag than what you get in the box, and sometimes the items are things you can only get through Causebox. I don't remember if those are fall or spring summer box, but they featured a really beautiful slip scarf that I had to get my hands on last year because they had sold out of the box by the time I went looking for it. And yeah, the popularity is not going away. One of my favorite things about these boxes is that they curate items from brands I've never heard of before. I find brands that do sustainable work, and I'm really excited, and they come in very beautiful boxes. Okay, so this season's Causebox is in a really cute box. I'm definitely keeping it and using it in my closet to store some things. It's just, you know, some women prancing, dancing, drinking hot cocoa, enjoying life. Really love the artwork. We'll see if they say in the box who did it. I have been avoiding these videos left and right. I did not want to know what was coming in mine, so let's unbox it and see what's in their new limited edition winter welcome box. Okay, so I've popped the box open. As you can see, I haven't opened it yet. Each box comes with a magazine where you can learn about the different products. It also features and gives you information about the brands they're working with. So very interested to learn more about it, and how the companies go about making the products. But let's dig on in. Really cute. Has another one of those women on the sticker. I'll have to see if I can save that. Oh, very cool. So it actually has a little postcard that has a poem as part of it. And if you look closely, you will see hope is close, love is near, and kindness can be found in all seasons. Very cool. And you can send it and use it as a postcard. Oh my goodness. Okay. One last look before we do that. Look how much stuff is in here. I'm very excited. We're gonna open it up, and of course I just told you that I had already opened it previously, but I'd only gone through 2 items before I stopped. It looks like the artwork is by Maggie Stevenson. It's @_Maggie Stevenson_. Okay, so let's get into the items. So the very first thing I saw was some hair accessories. It looks like it's by the brand Machete. Comes in a little plastic case. It looks like their website is shopmachete.com. It has one of these gold hairbands that or hair clips that you put in, and then you just see the circle, and then also a typical like horizontal clip. So hair accessories are only coming more and more in style. I have not tried like big barrette type stuff, so very excited to give that a try. Let's see about how much that is. Alright, so that's their holiday hair clip set. Handmade in France and Italy out of premium materials, and it's a $31 value. Alright, now this is the only second item, and the rest is all new to me. So the next item, which is perfect for winter, are these Sisu convertible mittens, and I really like the gray and beige duo tone aspect of these mittens. It says they're ethically made in China, and one thing I like about these kinds of mittens, alright, it's the kind that are buttoned here, you unbutton and it becomes a full mitten, otherwise it is fingerless gloves. I really appreciate that because I have really stubby hands, and my hands are chubby, but they are short. So this means I don't have to deal with that like extra material at the top, and if I want my fingers covered, I can easily make it so. This is by the brand Sisu, and they're made of recycled materials. A 100% recycled polyester. These are $33 value. So lots of goodies in here. This whole box is full. I think I'm gonna go for this thing next. I actually saw this in some Instagram posts, so as much as I've been like avoiding unboxings because I wanted to be surprised by what was in here, I saw this and I was really excited to buy it. So this is by the brand Samara, and it says it was, let's see, want to be designed for minimalists. Not a minimalist, but I like things. And then let's see, every jewelry case contributes towards providing solar-powered backpacks to children in East Africa through our other initiative, the Solar Backpack. So, very cool. Again, a brand with a mission. This is a luxe jewelry box. It's made of vegan leather, and it's a $42 value, but I'm really curious to see what it looks like inside. So, it's this nice camel color. It has the brand name etched on the front of it, and really pretty, really nicely made. Wow. Okay, so we unzip it. Ooh, love. So it's just a really nice travel jewelry case. You have a place here to put things like necklaces, and then it even has a little pouch here, so obviously they're gonna be longer, you can tuck them in. Place for rings, place for earrings. Love this. Definitely gonna use it. Perfect size, so it doesn't take up too much room in your bag when you're traveling. Let's go for this next. It's a big box. Alright, this is the next item. It's by Whitney Kearney, and it looks like these are mugs that were hand illustrated by Florida-based artist Whitney Kearney. One of the things I love is that they do feature a lot of women-owned businesses, women artists, so that's also very exciting. Alright, and these are inspired by the female form, so it goes really well with their box and abstract poetry. So let's see what these look like. Ooh. Love. Alright, very cool. So they actually have, alright, so they actually have mugs in 2 different colors. It's like inverse of coloring for them. So this is the first one. It's a nice pink. It feels really good in your hands. And this says it is made specifically for Causebox. This is one of those limited edition items that you're only going to get through Causebox. A nice weight to it. Love. Alright, and the other one is the same style but inverse of the color. So same style but a little bit different lines for it, but just inverse of the colors. Those are very cool. These do feel like, I don't know the material on them. What's it? Porcelain? Oh, It says in the little bit right here. Alright, it says in the corner of the box, this product provides support to victims of domestic violence. So that is very cool and actually gives more information. Alright, they do it through hubbardhouse.org. So again, another brand item that is really trying to make a difference. And what's really cool about that is sometimes with some of these subscription boxes, you're just getting product from big brands who want to advertise, which is fine. But this is a nice way to kind of treat yourself, pick up gifts for other people, while also doing something that goes beyond your one mission. Especially if you keep continuing to buy from these different businesses. Alright. The next item, ooh. Alright, it says Artisan Direct. I'm curious of what this is. Okay, definitely thought it was a necklace at first. It is not a necklace. Alright, cool. So this is serving utensils. I am not fancy. I do not have fancy kitchen utensils, so this is kind of exciting. I can get these out, pretend I'm a grown-up. Alright, nice. This is serving utensils. Let's learn a little more about this. Gold serving spoons, and they're handcrafted by artisans in Moradabad, India. They're $39 value. Very cool. Nicest thing I'll have in my kitchen for sure. There's so many things in here. Okay, so that was 4 items. We have 3 more left, I believe, in the box. Alright, so next one looks like a beauty product. Okay, this is from the brand Pure. I haven't tried much from Pure, but I do watch Raw Beauty Christie, and she seems to really like this brand. So this is a 4-in-1 correcting primer, energize and rescue with aloe, coconut water, and probiotics. I definitely am interested in this, especially because it has aloe in it. So I am a dry skin kind of girl. So this smooths on the skin to be worn underneath makeup. Let's see what the magazine says. So you can actually put this on day and night. It energizes skin in the morning, rescues skin at night. It just seems like a really good moisturizer and preps your skin for whatever you need to do. So I'll definitely have to try this out in my next Get Ready With Me. This one is worth a $34 value. Okay, and the next one looks like it is a beauty product for your hair. Nourish your hair with all the love it needs in one easy leave-in solution. So I actually prefer leave-in type conditioners or masks. I try conditioners in the shower, and for some reason they just don't work well for me. Oh, interesting. Okay, cool. I think there's some instructions in here. But it also comes with the actual product right here. So it comes with the actual product right here. It says to apply to wet hair directly after cleansing and conditioning. So I guess you can use this after conditioning. Dispense 1 to 3 pumps into your palm and then rub into your hair starting at the ends. Kind of typical for what we see. You can do this before blow drying, so I might use it as kind of like heat protectant. It comes with a pump that you can attach so that you're not having to like douse it out, which I really appreciate. I've never actually heard of this brand before. It's a vegan, cruelty-free product. And it works as a mask, serum, and a hot oil. It's a $30 value. Right, on the box, it talks even more about how it doesn't have a lot of products that can hurt your hair. So I'm excited to try that. I'm actually thinking of cutting my hair because my ends are pretty dry. So this will be nice once I have that refresh going. Some really cute earrings. I love jewelry, so I am a fan, and I love a good stud that I can wear whatever I want. So this is from the brand foxyoriginals.com. This is an exclusive design for Causebox, meaning it's just going to be found in these boxes, and it's a really cute set of studs. So we have silver and gold. I like little circles, half circles, and bars. They are very delicate. The back is also very delicate. I love those for work and getting to wear out on just a normal day. So this is mix and match stud earrings. Ooh, interesting. So you can kind of play with different shapes. And 3 different metallic finishes. Okay, I do see it. The little like half circles are, I guess it's more rose gold. It's a deeper gold from here. It's a little bit dark in here, so maybe that's what I'm not seeing correctly. These are a $30 value. Very cute. Definitely will wear very soon. Love these for just dressing up a very casual outfit quickly. And the last item, I could see it through the bag. This is why I left it for last, because it looks super exciting. I believe, let's see, I think this is a blanket. Ooh, yes, and you guys know I love myself some green, so I don't know how well you'll be able to see it on camera, but this is kind of like a sage green interwoven with cream. Very cool. Has tassels. Ooh, this is a big blanket. Tassels here. This is by the brand Imani Collective. It says artisan made, made in India, 100% cotton. So this is a woven throw blanket in cream or slate. So I guess this must be slate. To me, the slate has a little bit of a green tone to it. This is a $120 value. So I'm gonna back up and show you what this looks like fully out. All right, so it has the 2 ends here. Every end has a really cool little tassel. The ends on this side have some feathering to it, or some fray to it. It is fully sewn. Width. This is a great size blanket. I'm very excited about it. Love that. Goes perfectly in my living room. I have a tan couch in there. Okay, so that's what's in my box. I have seen some pictures where people had maybe like portfolios and things. I'm not sure if that was a last winter box compared to this new like welcome winter box. I'm very excited with what I got. I think all of those items together make a really cool curated collection. They cover lots of different aspects of my life that I get to use. The box is $54.95 if you buy it seasonally, and then $49.95 if you buy it annually. If you're an annual customer, you get to make some decisions about what comes in your box. And then also, just a reminder, you get 30% off if you use the code theplussideofme30. I think it's a really cool idea, company that has an awesome mission, and I'm excited to see what they come up with in their next box for spring. Let me know what you think down in the comments. Have you gotten a Causebox before? What's your favorite item that they had in there? What do you think of these different seasonal subscription services? I always think it's a good bang for your buck, but also it's a great way to learn about new companies, new artists, and then also some of these items are like perfect for me, and some of them might make really good gifts for someone else. I also want to thank Causebox so much for believing in me and wanting to work with me on my channel. They appreciate my message, I appreciate theirs, and I really hope you enjoyed learning more about their company. Talk to you later. Bye.